Hello, today we're going to review some multi-purpose cable clips, and this is the area we're going to try these out on. So let's take one of these out of the package. I really thought these were bigger than what they are, but these will work just fine for the intended purposes. As you can see, it's got a little sticky side on the back of it, and the cable goes through these slots right here. So it's kind of hard doing this single-handed, but I'm going to try and peel this sticky section off on this side. And we're going to slide this probably right about here maybe. Let's push it down, and then we'll just slide the tail end of this wiring through here. And now this should not slide off onto the floor. So that's basically how you use these cable clips. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.